Hello mga ka-legit Dower Gods, at Tasha Mulak and the rest of the legit Dower Gods nagkwento at nagkulitan patungkol sa TBJ. Ang datang yan, but before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Let's watch this video.
12 noon. Keep my shoes on.
Teacher.
Oh, so yung partner in crime ko.
What's up from Seattle?
Okay, wait, dito mag-intro.
YouTube and Facebook.
Okay guys, ito na. Meron tayong big, important, very important guest. Ang sobrang important. Partner in crime. Okay, dito na siya.
Good morning! Make some noise for Tasha.
Make some noise for Raisa. Wow.
Water.
Oh, Carrie, make me swing, make me water.
We're on YouTube and Facebook and
We're on
Instagram.
Facebook, YouTube.
Ay, pwede ka na mag-live sa Facebook.
Galing ka
Ay,
sa live.
YouTube.
You're good at live.
Hindi nga eh. Facebook lang.
Hi guys.
Ala, ito na, very pretty. The prettiest girl alive.
Paano nyo nagawa na yun?
Oh, say hi.
Shout out.
Two phones each.
Parang
Shout out. Hello.
sleeve holder.
Hello. Hello.
Ay, mag-hello. Hello.
Say hello. Hello. Wow. You are so beautiful.
Live po.
Come join us.
YouTube
Okay.
and
Live po sa
Facebook.
YouTube. Hello po.
Good morning, Dabricans. Ang kukulit, you're all wholesome.
Wait, I can't read. Ito. Happy birthday, Trebla Stan.
Ay, alam na, ginaya na nga niya sa bahay niya.
Kinaya na niya.
Di ba yung may day?
Oh, yeah.
Ano ba?
Oh.
Mas well, ano yung kay yung sa brother mo? Yung buong rice.
Oh, yeah.
Mali yung
Kung ano, yung kapatid niya, yung kapatid
Yeah.
ginagawa din.
Yeah.
Tinuruan mo rin?
Hindi.
Mas malala.
Kunyari, there's rice.
Ayan, so, shout out our cats. Busy pa sa Titash mag-story time.
Sila ulo din.
Ready?
Go. Wow.
Make me sway.
Make me warm. Up. If symptoms persist,
Walang ganun.
consult.
Yung ganun.
Milady.
Okay.
Symptoms persist, insulted.
Yes. Hello. Okay. From Toronto, Canada. Wow. Hello. Shout out. Shout out. Shout out. Shout out.
Uy, Ate
Have a
Tash,
wonderful day too.
malapit na tayo mag 1M sa YouTube.
Exactly.
Yes.
So, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. Ganito, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe para you don't miss it. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, isa pa. Don't forget. Ito, how do you...
Meron tayong 638.
Hindi kayo tuloy hindi.
Hindi. Ano kasi na-threaten?
Yeah, si Kuya Ryan threatened.
Afred,
Paddleball skills.
ano talaga siya?
Next week na kami magpapada.
Ah, alam mo yung my spaghetti?
Uy, wag yun!
My spaghetti is sarap lang. Yung John spaghetti. Wait,
Johnny ba? Si RJ kagabi nagpakaan sa sa baba. Johnny spaghetti.
Hindi try mo kasi maraming sauce.
Hindi kasi you guess kasi dahil sa kasi si Rice guest spaghetti sa Gimme 5. Oo. Dapat pansit.
Ay, oo. Tsaka yung lokban.
Imagine yung pansit from pwede to spaghetti.
Pancit spaghetti.
Tilapia pansit spaghetti.
Parang ganito. Nilusot mo yung friend.
Okay, how do I... Okay, we're gonna teach you guys a new dance move.
Okay, Dabarkads.
We're gonna teach you guys a new dance move.
800 viewers. Hello, shout out.
Shout out, shout out.
Pwede mag-guest sa live?
Pwede. Meron kang guest dyan. Kami yung pangalan.
Okay. So guys, for those watching, please follow, like, and subscribe on the TVJ Facebook, YouTube page, and Instagram. Please support. I love you guys. Yes. On Atasha's.
Follow.
For those watching on my Facebook page, please follow, like, subscribe TVJ on YouTube. We're so close. Na to 1 billion.
Yes, like and subscribe, Dabber Cats. Follow Ate Tash din sa IG,
And
Facebook.
also follow Raisa din on everything.
Atasha Mulak.
But more importantly, follow TVJ.
Galing.
Galing talaga. Honestly, their page, the best. As in,
Ano favorite content mo sa kanila?
content. Kala ko continent. Okay, content. Favorite, lahat. As in, everything. Lahat na lahat ng content ng TVJ, maganda.
Wow.
It will make you smile.
Paano sa
Demo.
man?
And ito din.
Live selling.
Kumain na lang.
Kumain mo na
I
lang.
don't know how to do it live. Okay. Okay. Hello guys. Shout out. Yes. It's my first time doing a
Tomorrow
live.
will be your second time.
Second time. Everything ka na pala magaganyan.
So guys, me and Rice will be here to start the live until we reach 1 million sa TVJ. So
Sinabi mo
please,
yan, friend.
like and subscribe.
Kaya mo na yan.
Okay.
Shout out. Happy birthday, Emily Balaes.
You greet them.
Greet them.
Shout out from Brisbane, Australia. Golden Kikay. Ito. Hello, Dabbercats. Oh, from Brunei.
Wow, hello po, Dabber Cats. Energetic Tash. Yes po, 24/7. Ano yung energy niya?
I don't know what that is. Okay, ito.
Pwede.
They want one more.
Mag-antay. Pwede po ba? Sa Facebook? Pwede ba?
Hello
Parang
everyone.
wala.
Shout out, shout out.
May magre-request dapat.
We love you guys.
Hello po. Sabi, nakakalito po asan si Atasha at Raisa.
Huwag sila
Uy,
malito.
wala.
They said, oh my
Yung
God.
naka-braid po yun. Ito si Atasha.
Gawa na lang natin ng poll. Sino pong mas maganda?
Uy, walang pumoto, friend.
Walang ganun.
Nahirapan.
Okay, wow.
So, bukas tayo mag...
How do you not get overwhelmed? Okay, ito.
Tuloy-tuloy.
Kamukha yung mom niya. Kamukha mo daw, mom.
Live-in lang. Agoy.
Si ano, si
But if you want to see
Mami
more of
Josie.
that, catch it on TVJ. Like, subscribe, and comment. And share the love from the Dabbercats.
Shout out. Atasha.
So, show.
Hello po,
Some
watching.
love. It's your first
Sa
live.
TV5 12 noon, this is my first ever live because I want you all to please subscribe, like, comment, TVJ sa TV5 12 noon and their Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and everything. Lahat.
Yes, lahat.
We're everywhere.
For everywhere, for all your needs, all the time. North, East, South, West, TVJ is the best. Ooh!
Wow! Laban-laban lang. Ay, sorry, friend. Di ko na kinakaya yung energy niya.
O, ito.
Ito ang ganda ng comment.
Anong ko?
Ang ganda ni
Here, ito,
Raisa.
ito.
Hindi!
Totoo. Here.
Totoo nga
Here,
to.
so you can read here. So it's
Nasa,
better.
hindi, sa ano yata to eh. Hindi ko na alam.
Here.
Basta magkamukha daw tayo.
Yeah. This is my twin. This is my kambal.
Bakit may nag-viral si Action?
Ay, dalawa.
Hello po sa makeup artist niya daw.
Hello!
Baka ikaw daw ka na ikaw. Ayan po. Hello po.
Magical. Say hello. The best.
The best of the best. The glam team of the best glam team ever.
The nicest, most scary. And guess what? You know what's amazing about this glam team?
What?
About them too?
Yes.
They both follow, like, subscribe. TV5 sa E80, sa YouTube, Instagram, all social media accounts. Diba?
Tama.
Yeah!
Patingin nga po ng follow button.
Yeah, exactly. That's why. Oh, welcome. Guys, please. Okay.
Uy.
There we go. Okay. So guys, if you guys have any questions, I'll gladly ask Raisa.
Hindi ka lang daw.
Hindi, baka may question sila for sa inyong dalawa.
Hello. Ay, nasan daw yung tilapiyang manok?
Okay. The truth? The truth?
Kila Raisa.
HDTM.
HDTM. Okay. This is our dance. HDTM.
Ay, totoo tong comment. Nakakalito kung nasan si Atasha. Sabi ni.
Huh?
Nakakalito daw kung sino daw si Atasha.
Exactly. Agreed.
Yeah.
Totoo naman.
Nalilito ako.
Limited view.
Atasha dance number naman, oh. Oh.
Dance number.
Water, ha? This sun's in the sun.
Ay, nakakanta guys!
Ganun, no?
Ang hyper po niya, no?
Aga.
Super aga pa. Ay! Hindi na, comedian yarn, yes. Comedian. Ni lady.
Oh, ito na siya. Wait, teka lang. You need your intro.
Ito na si Ate Ma.
The very special. Very amazing. Very
Ayun na.
Meron na yung 2-in-1
EAT
promo.
Girls is
2-in-1
complete.
promo. 3, 2, 1. Assemble.
Ayun.
Sa YouTube naman tayo.
Ayan, nakalive tayo sa YouTube and
Please,
Facebook.
Don't forget. Please don't forget to like,
Subscribe.
comment on the.
T. B. J. Ay, gawin. T.
Ah, yan.
So, ako na naman yung kakaya. Ganun talaga, friend. T.
T.
Ready guys, diba?
Ay, sorry. Sige.
1, 2, 3, go.
T.
B. J. Balik na dapat pag ganun pala. T. B. J.
And then,
Okay.
Okay,
5, 6, 7. T. B.
Dream.
Saan yung ambag ko rin? Ganda talaga. Legit Americans. Ayun na. Hala, gusto niyo po ba makita ng pretty girl? Mamalan! Ayun na, makikita lang po ng gabi. Live po kami.
Are you going to go like and subscribe
Hello,
to
like
TVJ?
Mamalan! Ganda po ba si Ma'am Alan? Ang ganda ni Ma'am Alan. Mukhang glass skin.
Glass skin. Oo, tama.
Hello, live kami, magbibihis mo na.
Sabi kasi si Ma'am Alan parang Gen Z. Yes, Gen Z.
Yes.
Generation Zombie. Yes.
Guys, please don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, and share TVJ's YouTube. Wow!
Yan naman ako sa'yo, Raisa, Generation X.
Ano yun, Ma'am Alan?
Expired.
Okay. Happy?
Happy na.
If you're happy and you know it, subscribe to their page.
Yes.
If you're happy and you know it, subscribe to TVJ. If you're happy and you know, and your face really show it, don't forget to subscribe to TVJ. Bang!
Grabe na. Gagawa daw siya ng fans club. Taza. Okay. Ito yung sa YouTube? Oo, YouTube and Facebook. Ay, ang dami natin viewers. 2,000 sa YouTube. Mas
Some viewers. Hello to all the viewers. Thank you for watching. And also, the main announcement of this video. Grabe. Meron akong kwento.
Okay.
Meron akong kwento. As in, super secret. No one knows this.
Okay.
As in, no one. So, hello to all the viewers.
Okay, yes.
But follow and subscribe and comment sa TVJ.
Like and subscribe na daw. Shout out. Uy, may nag-comment po. Ma'am Alan, ang ganda mo super. Parang 14 years old lang kayo.
Exactly.
Alam.
Alam niyo naman po.
Ano pa ka?
Ano po? Si Mama RJ. Nag-comment ka po. Mabasa po ang comment. Ang dami ka na. 14 years old. 50 years old.
Very special introduction.
Sige nga, si Tito siya nakakaldag sa pilas.
Bakit pinubola niyo si Alan?
Ay, ewan ko pala po.
Naniniwala?
Opo.
Naniniwala?
Batangas.
Gusto niyo po ba makita si Tito siya magting-ting ta?
More of this on the YouTube page. Like, subscribe, and comment. Please, sana. Do it. If you want to see more, para nasabaya si Tito Sen.
Tama.
Baka nga, no?
Hello.
Hello
Ano ba
guys,
naman yung
any
comment na
questions?
yan?
Any questions?
Sobrang kamukha na ni Raisa si Atasha Mulak. Guys, napakaswerte ni Ate Tash. Nakakalito daw ko sino si Alan Kay.
Ganito. Kung if you have a question
Inaantok ata.
and you want your question answered, we'll answer it on one condition.
Ano?
You subscribe, follow, like, and comment on TVJ!
Ano ba kayo?
Ma'am Alan, ang ganda niyo po. Glass skin. Glass skin? Anong glass skin daw?
Ba't di mo basagin?
Sabihin niyo. Okay, Tower Cats. Tuloy-tuloy pa po ang sayahan mamaya sa E18 Live, 12 noon. Ilang minuto na lang E18 na Tower Cats.
Exactly!
Exactly, Tower Cats. Kumalan mo ka daw 1 year old. Payag ka dun.
Ano, 1-year-old chick?
Chick? Chick?
Ay, di lang.
Chick ba talaga mo?
1 day old pa. 1 day old pa.
Oo nga.
Sorry naman.
Thank you, Tower Cats, for watching. Thank you. Later. May ate.